Good morning, children. Welcome back after a lovely weekend. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Children, this is your first English session for second term. Lesson, a surprise for grandma. Children, I have already explained you the meaning of surprise. If you remember, children, it was Manku's lesson. That was a previous lesson, a surprise birthday party. But still, I will explain you the meaning. Surprise means unexpected event. Today's lesson is about grandparents. So children, we will also talk about grandparents, and I think you all know about grandparents. But still, I will explain you about grandparents. Children, what do you call your grandparents? You call them as Nana, Nani, Dada, Dadi, right? So let us see how we call our grandmother. We call our grandmother as grandma. Our father's mother and our mother's mother, both are our grandma. Grandma or grandmother. Now let us see our grandfather. Our father's father or our mother's father, even they are called as our grandpa or grandfather. Okay? Now children, parents means what? What do you know about parents? Yes, parents means father and mother. Both together are called parents. Same way, grandma and grandpa, that is grandfather and grandmother, both together are called grandparents. Now let us see, children, what our grandparents do for us. Children, your grandparents love you a lot and always make something special for you which will make you happy, isn't it? They always try to make you happy. They love to tell you stories and like to spend time with you. They like to play with you. They like to enjoy time spending with you. And we all know all the children love their grandparents a lot. But there are few grandparents who stay very far. And holidays you visit them. Children, many of our grandparents do not know to use a mobile phone. It is very difficult for them to understand this phone. They do not know to operate this phone or to use it. They find it very difficult to use these phones. Not only the phones but also the tabs, the computer, they cannot handle. It's too difficult for them to handle these things. So children, if you know all these things, what can we do? We can help our grandparents and teach them how to use it. And they will feel very happy. So children, let us listen to a story where two children go and visit their grandpa and grandma on the holiday. Today is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. These two children are going to visit their grandparents. We always go on holidays to our grandparents' house. We spend time over there and our holidays. We enjoy to stay over there, children. We all love to go over there. Both the children go to the grandparents' house and knock the door. Grandma and grandpa opens the door. Hello, grandpa. Okay, children, when you go to your grandparents' house, how do you wish them? You say good morning or you wish salam, right? Hello, grandma. Grandpa is saying, children, that grandma has been busy today working whole day. She got up early in the morning and she was working for the whole day. She cleaned all the rooms, she mopped the rooms, she cleaned all the windows and she wiped all the windows. She has done lot of hard work today, says grandpa to Sohan and Sweetie. Listening to this, children feel very bad. They go to grandma and say, "Are you tired, grandma? You've been working whole day. What happened, Grandma? Come sit next to us. We will help you. So Sohan and Sweetie goes to Grandpa and say, Grandpa, come on. We will help Grandma. So Grandpa says, okay, come on Sweetie, come on Sohan. We will prepare some nice dishes for Grandma. So they go in the kitchen and start preparing some nice dishes for Grandma. Let us give Grandma a rest today. Let her sit down and rest. We will help you, Grandma. We will work for you. Who says all these things? Sohan and Sweetie. They feel very bad, no? So they say, we will do everything for you. You just sit and rest. Leave all the things on us. So Sweetie says, come to the kitchen, Grandma. We want to show you something. Come with us. So she holds Grandma and she takes her inside. She says, see what did we prepare for you. Both the children and Grandpa together make soup, sandwiches and salad. What a treat, says Grandma. Grandma is very happy. She says, I'm so happy. So nice dishes you have prepared for me. And then Sweetie says, do you like the banana delight? Grandma says, yes, of course, I love it. And then they all sit together to have their lunch. And now there is a surprise for you, Grandma, says Sohan. Surprise, we've got something for you. Please open the parcel. And then they give it to Grandma. And Grandma takes the parcel and she starts opening it. She opens the parcel and she sees a mobile phone. Oh, a mobile phone, says Grandma. She's so happy. Grandma is so happy with the mobile phone. What a surprise, children, you have given me. Grandma is very happy, but she says, no, but now. She's confused what to tell. So children says, I know what is your problem. You don't know to use the mobile. No problem, Grandma. You don't worry. We will help you. We will help you how to use the mobile phone. We will teach you. Both the children say, there is no need to worry, Grandma. We are there for you. Why are you taking so much of tension? Says the children. Grandma is very happy. She smiles at them. So children, did you see how these two children helped Grandma? How did they surprise her? Yes, even we have to surprise our Grandma and give them lot of love. Not only Grandma but also Grandpa. Children, open your textbook to page number 46. Now let's read the lesson. A surprise for Grandma. Sunday is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Hello Grandma. Hello Grandpa. Now Sunday is a holiday and both the children, that is Sohan and Sweetie, they both go to visit Grandma and Grandpa who stay far away. They go to visit them and first they wish them hello Grandma and hello Grandpa. Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows, says Grandpa. Grandpa is telling the children that grandmother has been busy today. She has been cleaned all the rooms and she has wiped all the windows. So she is very tired today. Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest, says Sohan. Can you see over here, children, Sohan? He pulls Grandma and makes her sit over there on the chair. And he says, Grandma, you rest now. You've done lot of work. You just rest and don't get up from here, he says. Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy. Now over here, Grandpa calls Sohan and Sweetie and tell them, come, we will work in the kitchen and make something nice for Grandma. So they are busy working in the kitchen. Come to the kitchen, Grandma. Come and see. Oh, soup, sandwich and salad. What a treat. Grandma, do you like banana delight? Oh, I love it. Now over here children, Sohan and Sweetie pull grandma to the kitchen and bring her near the dining table. Over here, can you see over here? Yes. They get grandma over there and say, see, what did we make for you? Can you see over here? Soup, sandwich, salad. Then grandma says, oh, you made all this for me. Yes, grandma, we made for you. Then Sohan says, grandma, do you like banana delight? Then grandma says, oh, I love it. And she likes eating it. So everybody sit together and have their lunch. And now there is a surprise for you. Grandma, open this parcel. Oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise. But now over here children, these two children had got a gift for grandma. And now they are telling grandma to open this gift. So she opens the gift and she's surprised to see a mobile phone. She's so happy with the mobile phone. But she says, but grandma, no but. No, I know your problem. You don't know how to use the mobile. But don't worry, we will help you. Over here children, grandma opens the gift and she sees there's a mobile phone. But grandma says, but I don't know to use it. How will I use it? So the children explains grandma that don't worry grandma, we are there with you. We will help you and we will teach you how to use the mobile phone. Children, I hope you understood the lesson. Children, I want you to repeat and see this video 2 to 3 times to understand the lesson. Now let us start with the meanings. Wipe, to clean. Rest, to relax. Treat, a party. Fill in the blanks. Let's give grandma a rest today. You have to underline rest. Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. Underline kitchen. She has wiped all the windows. You have to underline windows. Children, you have to copy this in your book number 1, the new book which you have made for the second term. Summary: a surprise for grandma, explain and notes given.